Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas day 9. Oh my gosh. So in today's video, my baby girl is having like a Christmas party at her school. Like they are closing. In fact, they've already rounded up yesterday. The party was yesterday. But today I just want to share with you the simple hairstyle I did for her. This is a simple hairstyle you can do for your toddler. And my baby girl already knows what I'm doing. I'm doing the LOC method. Don't mind me using perfume bottle as spray bottle because this madam don't spoil all my spray bottle. But yes, I actually washed the perfume bottle thoroughly before putting water in it. And she already knows the deal. She's already giving me the leave-in conditioner. She knows after water comes leave-in conditioner. And then she's just gonna pass along everything. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe by clicking on that big red subscribe button below this video to join the family. Don't forget to click on that all notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I just want to use this medium to say a big thank you to all you who still support me. Like this week have been so hectic and busy for me. I think if not that I pre-recorded most of my videos for Vlogmas, I don't think I would be able to get through the 1 week of Vlogmas. But yeah, thanks to all the pre-recorded videos, I was able to, get through it. This week has been super busy. Even when I don't even have time to equally support you. Thank you for always supporting. Thank you for liking, for sharing, for commenting, for sharing my videos. Oh my gosh, I really appreciate you all. Thank you and thank you and thank you and thank you. If I want to mention names, I'm just gonna mention a whole lot and I might skip or forget someone, so I don't want anybody to feel bad. But I see you, I know you, I love you. Thank you so much for the support. I don't take it for granted. Thank you and please keep supporting your girl. Please keep supporting your girl. I really need that support, guys. Thank you so much. So guys, as you can see, Brielle's hair is actually growing. I think ever since I stopped taking her to the salon and I started making her hair myself, I think her hair started growing a bit because like in the salon they just pull her hair and make it so tight, and she doesn't have front hair, so I'm trying to grow that front hair. So if you don't know how to do the LOC method, all you have to do is first of all put the water, either water or leave-in conditioner, any water-based conditioner first. See, my baby is also rubbing. Oh my gosh, I actually did not even know she was applying a wreath to the front of her hair. This girl is just so funny. All you have to do is first go in with the leave-in conditioner or water, then you go in with the oil, that's the O, and then you go in with the cream. So that's the LOC method. Some people like to do the LCO, either liquid, cream, and then oil. So whichever one you want to do. See my baby, oh my god, I have no idea that this is what she was doing. I was busy massaging the products to her edges. And when you're done massaging the products to your hair, all you have to do is just detangle the hair. And at this stage the hair should already be like manageable. You will not even stress yourself. There will be no tangles again because the product is really soaked into the hair. So as you can see, the hair is very manageable and she's not crying. So after using the white tooth comb, I tend to go in with this detangling brush. Oh my god, if you're keeping natural hair and you don't have the detangling brush, you're missing out because this actually detangles very well. So manageable. So when you're done detangling the hair, all you have to do is section the hair into 4 places or 5. Basically I did 5 parting, so I'm just gonna part the hair into 5 big sections because this was like in the middle of the night and I was already tired. I was freaking confused as to what to make on her hair. I just decided to make this simple sorry baby, sorry. I decided to make this simple hairstyle for her. So you just part her hair into 5 places. When I'm done parting, I'll let you all see the parts. So I'm done with the parts, but before I pack each section up, I am going to further smoothing the lines, just like you see on this other part. You see how smooth and neat the line is. So I'm adding my gel or edge control along the line, and then I use my rat tail comb to smoothen it, to give it a smooth and straight line. So when you're done smoothing the lines, you take your gel. That is if you need, because if you don't need gel, just using the shea butter, the LOC method, like, your hair should already be very soft. But because she's a child, you know, I just want everything to be smooth. That's why I'm making use of gel. So just apply a little bit of gel, then go in with your brush to brush and smooth it into the hair, and then you tie it with a rubber band and twist it in place. So I'm done twisting all the 5 sections, and I'm going in with my Brazilian wool. I want this hair to be a little bit long. That's why I'm cutting it very long. And then I'm just going to take 10 strands. I want to use 10 strands per braid. I'm going to untwist the hair and divide the section into 2, because I want to make 2 braids per section. You can make as many braids as you want. You can make like 3 braids, or you can make even 1 braid, but I want to make 2 braids. So initially I actually made use of beads at the end, but then I remembered her school does not accept beads, so I later removed the beads and made use of rubber bands, colorful rubber bands at the tips. So if you want, you can use beads. If you want, you can use rubber bands. And yeah, please, if you've watched up to here and you're not subscribed to my channel, please kindly help a girl by subscribing to my channel. Click on that big red subscribe button below this video and join the family, guys. Please click on my super thanks. Please click on my super thanks. Please, God bless you. Share my video, and yeah, thank you. So if you want to see a detailed video on how I make the braids, I have some videos. Just check down my playlist and you will see some beautiful kids hairstyles, and I showed in detail how I make these braids.
Tears, I'll give it to someone special.
And oh my gosh, this is the final look. So this is the day of her Christmas party, and she was asked to wear like a white on blue jean. That's why she's wearing this white shirt. Oh, my baby is posing for you guys. And this is the outcome. Like I said, I decided to remove the beads and made use of. I absolutely love it, guys. I love the way it's long. I think I'm gonna do this again for her, but I'm gonna make use of beads all around because I just love beads on little girls' hair. So thank you guys for sticking around with me. Thank you. I love you all. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.